Good day. As the holiday season approaches, one critical reality we face every year is the Christmas shipping cutoff date. This is a gentle reminder to those who may have missed our earlier message: get your shopping done early. It's heartbreaking to hear disappointment in a customer's voice when an expected Christmas delivery doesn't arrive on time. As a shipping company, we strive to meet your expectations while navigating the inevitable inefficiencies at Jamaica Customs. Based on our extensive experience, we've set the guaranteed Christmas delivery cutoff date to December 11th. Packages arriving in our warehouse by noon on December 11th are guaranteed for delivery before Christmas. While we'll make every effort for shipments sent out on December 18th to arrive before Christmas, this is not guaranteed due to customs delays and increased holiday traffic. We encourage you to plan accordingly to avoid last-minute stress. Our team is ready and waiting to assist with your flat-rate food box pickups and in-store pickups. Here's why in-store pickups can be a game-changer. Yesterday, a microwave arrived for shipping with minor damage from the packaging process. We alerted the owner and we inspected the item thoroughly, but wouldn't you prefer to receive your items in pristine condition? With our free in-store pickup service, we can ensure you get exactly what you need without any hassle. Finally, a special note for Platinum members: if you're enrolled, you should have received a Platinum coupon on December 1st, valid through December 10th. This coupon waives the shipping cost for packages up to £5. If you're not yet a Platinum member, sign up for free in your customer portal under the Platinum section to enjoy free shipping coupons and other exclusive benefits annually. We're here to make your holiday shipping as seamless as possible. Don't wait, get your packages in by December 11th for guaranteed delivery, and take advantage of the perks available to you. Happy holidays!
Christmas vibe got me feeling so alive.